It's Mila at WTI, and today I want to share with you my Nintendo Switch case by tomtoc. You guys, I love this case, and I'm going to tell you just a couple reasons why. So number one is going to be how low profile it is. The Switch really isn't that big in itself, and this case does not make it any more bulky than it needs to be. I also love the fact that it has two zippers to open it up. That's super helpful. For example, if you don't want to take it out of the case, but you want to charge it, this is exactly how you can do it. You have access to the charging cable with it still in the case. It's a nice, great feature. Inside, you have an area where you can place all of your console games. It fits in just perfectly. Great feature about this case is going to be the fact that it has this protrusion that protects the actual buttons. So the Nintendo Switch can be prone to getting what's called a drift on their Joy-Cons. This allows no contact on the actual controller. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how you would put it in. You want to match these to where they're supposed to go. So in this case, it's going to be like this. And when you put it in, these actual buttons, they protect your Joy-Con from getting damaged. I absolutely love that. It does come with a little strap here, so if you wanted to carry it around your arm, you absolutely could. It's just a great low profile case for your Switch. I love it. I think you will too. That's my point of view.